Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we will watch a video on a portable laptop table from Royatto. I purchased this from Flipkart for Rs 509. Now the price has increased to Rs 785, but I find this really useful. This portable laptop table is made of plywood and is foldable. The dimensions are 60 cm by 40 cm with a height of 28 cm. It weighs around 2 kilograms. There is also provision to hold a mobile and a tab. A mug holder is also provided. This can also be used as a writing board. I am using a 15-inch laptop and is conveniently placed. Considering the price, it seems to be a good purchase. I will leave the purchase link in the description if you are interested to buy. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.